In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Squarespace with URL redirects. If you've ever come across a dead link on your site, you know how frustrating it can be for both you and your visitors. Broken links not only disrupt the user experience, but can also harm your site's SEO. Luckily, Squarespace makes it simple to redirect those outdated links to the right place. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to the Squarespace website and log in to your account. If your account is linked to Google, you can choose to continue with Google for a quicker sign-in process. Either method works, so pick whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, locate the website where you need to fix broken links. Click on it to open the site's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Next, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this in the main navigation menu on your site's dashboard. Click on the Settings tab to open up the configuration options for your site. Here, you'll see a variety of tools and options you can use to fine-tune your site. From the Settings menu, scroll down and look for an option called Developer Tools. Go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed for advanced site configurations, including URL management. Take your time to locate it if it's not immediately visible. Once you're in the Developer Tools section, you'll see an option for URL mappings. Select this, as it's the feature we'll use to set up the redirects. URL mappings is where you can pair broken or outdated links with their new destinations, ensuring visitors are seamlessly directed to the right page. Now, it's time to enter the URL code for the redirect. Here you'll specify the old, broken URL and the new URL it should point to. This step helps ensure that anyone trying to access the outdated link will automatically be taken to the correct page instead of encountering an error. Be careful here. Double-check each entry for typos or mistakes before moving on. Even a small error can cause the redirect to fail, so accuracy is key. Once you've entered the necessary URL mappings, the final step is to save your changes. Simply click on the Save button to commit everything you've just set up. This step is crucial because saving activates the redirects and makes them live on your site. Without it, the changes won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully fixed broken links on your Squarespace site using URL redirects. By redirecting outdated links to the correct pages, you've improved your site's usability and protected your SEO performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.